as we celebrate National Heritage Month. Let us explore the rise of concrete construction in the 20th century Philippine architecture.
Concrete was the main building material for government and public infrastructures during the American colonial period. Amongst the best existing example is the National Museum Central Complex here in Manila. Inside the National Museum of Fine Arts, you will find numerous intricate precast moldings and classical motifs on cornices and doorways, such as festoon, which is depicted by garland of leaves and flowers, vase, cartouche, griffin, and stakes. As you make your way to the north and south wings, pairs of photo or cherubim will guide you along the hallway. In neoclassical art, these chubby winged figures represent innocence, love, or the divine presence. Meanwhile, looking from the outside of the National Museum of Anthropology and the National Museum of Natural History, you will notice the repetitive ornamentation surrounding the building's ground. These acanthus leaves are key decorative elements of neoclassical architecture. Another precast concrete element from the twin buildings are the lion heads around the upper portion of the structures. These functional ornaments cleverly serve as downspouts for rainwater outlets. During this era, methods of construction greatly improved that we were able to build massive structures with meticulous architectural elements.
Thank you for joining us in this episode of Adventures in Concrete. We invite you to visit our museums to see these architectural gems in person.